unaweza fanya your thing.
Yeah,
You can do your thing, man. So
let's pray. Father God, we thank you for this amazing Friday session. We thank you for each and every person who is here. We thank you for they're not here by chance, Lord, but they're chosen, Lord, to change their lives, to change their family, their loved ones' lives, Jehovah. I thank you for each of them for showing up. Lord, we pray that this session will be great, amazing, Lord, that will be learning, there will be change and a shift in mentality. Lord, we thank you for we are going higher, Lord. We're going to make big things happen, Lord. We thank you for this month, for this week, for each and every other coming weeks, Lord. We thank you for this month and this entire year. We thank you for the dreams that will be made true, Lord. We thank you that you're here with us, and Lord, and thank you that you're letting the way for us to just walk easily through, Jehovah. We thank you for each and every person who is here, who will come through the session. May you bless them, Lord. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.
amen, man. Amen. Blessed, man. So yeah.
So let's go when it's blessed.
Yeah, blessed, man. So tunaweza anza sahi and then to chill out. So yeah, good to have you, man. It's good to have you guys, man, kushow up, man. So this is what we do. Tunapenda tunataka tu kushow up hizo family victories. That's all we want, man. Tunajua whatever you guys, man, what's possible on the other side. Kuna hizo dreams zenye tumezi set up so big, so yeah, we can't sleep up, we can't afford to look down. So let me fix my camera first, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, tuna appreciate, man, kushow up day in day out kufanya hizi because yeah, tunajua the fruits ziko. So yeah, tuanze analysis yetu. So the daily time frame, yeah, obviously we are bearish. Tulifunga bearish below some easy supports below. So yeah, daily is bearish. Currently tumeanza kukaribia hizo ranges huku chini, kufili hizi supports huku. So yeah, let's see venye ita play out. The bearish momentum iko, tunajua tuko bearish, but all maybe tunaweza tap into these areas below. So we don't know, but acha tuangalia 4 hour venye inakaa. The 4 hour inaka overextended. Now what did it do, man? Imefunga without a bottom wick. So yeah, without a bottom wick, no, na imefunga maybe slightly below, but yeah, kuna ka 4 hour, there is also some 4 hour support over here. Imetap, kuna this support, kuna this week malili tap. So yeah, basically tuko in that 4 hour target tapped area. Target tapped, tusha tap. So what are we looking for this 4 hour to do? So basically we can't say bado inaweza kuwa maybe hizo cells zinaweza play out, but normally we can't, maybe hatuwezi anza kufikiria, maybe it can still drive, but these cells right now zinakaa ziko chopped up, ziko hii outside. So yeah, let's see, but only price ingekuwa maybe imefanya something like this, imepack run huku chini, something like that, and then tunaanza kuflip bullish. Now tungesema the 4 target up is stopped. So yeah, tunaweza anza maybe to drive our way towards back the top of the range, something like that. So yeah, hatujui, we just wait on tuone venye price nafanya. Is still the open of the 4 hour, but tunajua wherever we are on this 4 time frame, so tuko target tapped areas, tuko where tumetap hizi targets. But yeah, looking at that daily once more, tuangalie the daily tuone ina line aje na hiyo target. So yeah, there is a support over here to the daily. So daily tumetap hiyo target for what tumesha tap na tumefunga bila bottom wick. So at the sense maybe tunaweza reject from that, from this bottom wicks, from these lows huku chini, maybe a pullback and later on maybe sales coming down. So something like this, maybe tunaweza anticipate a move, just a small push, and then maybe sales later on coming down. So hatujui after that liquidity, maybe something like that. So for this sales later on continue the downside of to the bottom of the range. So we don't know yet, but yeah, the 4 hour is kind of in those target tapped areas. We have already hit those targets. We closed with little to no bottom wick. Now we are rejecting off. So yeah, let's see. So on the hourly time frame, how does the hourly time frame look? So the 1 hour, yeah, slightly overextended. Why is this support? There is some support to the left. There is also another support over here. So yeah, that's the 4 target tapped areas. So there's a support over here. Yeah, where's those resistances? So maybe we can draw out our zones, maybe something like this. So let me mark up that zone. Yeah, there's also another resistance to the left. So yeah, let's see. Let's see the way price forms up. So yeah, the 30 minutes. Yeah, it's kind of bearish. So we closed strong bullish, tulifunga bullish, but yeah, tumefunga slightly above. We closed above. So the range maybe, when the range inakuanga hivi mbali inakuanga tough to maybe mark out the correct zones, because yeah, a lot of ranges, unatumia a lot of ranges, so yeah, inakuanga tough ku mark out those zones, but yeah, we'll try our best ku mark hizo zones. So yeah, I think that zone, yeah, I can still remain it, inaweza remain tu hivyo. So tumeclose respecting this support. There's another support over here, a resistance. So yeah, looking left inakaa a bit kind of choppy kiasi, but we know where we are on this for our time frame. So we are in target tapped areas. Maybe can we expect some, maybe some hovering off of that area, maybe some rejections to the top side of the range. So hatujui, but yeah, tuna mark up hiyo zone yetu. Maybe the 15 it has some clean traffics to maybe to iko na some ranges clean. So let's see the 15. What does it do? Mbona ukimo time frame inatoa hizi nini drawings zako? Yeah,
kuna time inafanya ndio, so maybe we add on.
yeah. Morning man's cheap. So yeah, 15 will just play with that drawing, such as this support zone to the left. How is it looking? So yeah, they're back. So yeah, they're back. Yeah, that zone on the 15 is not looking the hottest. So yeah, we have some support resistances. There's a support, there's a resistance over here on the 15. Yeah, there's a resistance over here. So yeah, we are currently in that range. Maybe it was on some price action later on coming up. So we don't know, maybe waiting for this range 2 buys. Yeah, something like that, buys from below here. So yeah, right now we are target tapped areas. We have already hit those targets. Yeah, sells also hazikaimbaya, but right now for where the 1 hour, the 4 hour is, maybe pullback. So maybe we can close something like that, but easy sells maybe later on hazikai kuwa interesting. So yeah, acha tuone venye this 4 hour maybe we can do something like this. Naweza fanya something, we can drive down, yeah, and then maybe tunaweza anza kufunga back above the range. So yeah, back above the range, and then maybe a bearish closure below. Yeah, something, we are bearish, but these cells, for me to take it, lazima zikuwe kuna structure hapo. So yeah, see, just taking out because tuko forward, we are bearish. The daily has stop target, the 4 has stop target. So yeah, that's the plan for sales. And maybe buys, you can plan them, maybe something like this, maybe this bearish closure and then a range 2 buy, maybe a bullish closure above, So yeah, maybe we can start off retracing this bullish momentum towards the top of the range after hitting those targets. So yeah, we are in those target areas. We've already hit those targets. So yeah, let's see venye price inataka kufanya and then to move forward. Yeah. So Sam, how is it looking? Yeah.
Kabisa iko fiti.
Range 2 buys, we are at for our target tapped areas. So let's be patient. Let's buy about one. So these sales are not looking the hottest. Maybe some range 2 buys, a bearish closure, and and then another bullish closure above. So these buys will be looking money. So yeah, tungoje hizo patiently, and then we see what happens next. So we have this bearish momentum. It has already created some very nice clean traffics to the left for buys. Yeah, so let's see how price forms up, and then to decide. So yeah, patience, man. It's a Friday. You don't want to let Pac-Man out. So yeah, let's maintain the profits for the week, man.
Take the profit.
Kesho ni webinar day one. So yeah, we see. Morning 8-figure trader.
8-figure trade in the building. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Must see.
Yeah.
How you do?
Anyone, did you take these sales? I saw a 15 at 8. I saw a 15, maybe a 15 salary out of this range hapa hivi. So there was like a 15 salary hapo that played out. So but it was the opening of the first 1 hour. It didn't have a top week, so yeah, kind of tricky. It was a breakout, but a salary, no top week on the hourly. So yeah, it's kind of tricky. So yeah, the 15 has a range, so maybe you can play that 15 range. Yeah, looking to the left is a bit too much, man. It's a bit too far, man. We don't want to be confused, man. It's a bit too much. So let's see how that, maybe we can chop price up with that 15 closure. So yeah, where is the 30 resistance? So yeah, it's kind of there. So we can chop price right around that area. So let's see how price forms up, and then we'll continue. Yeah, nice, man. Nice. Yeah, haiko na top week, so it's kind of tricky to participate in those sales. Yeah, but it was tempting, man. Yeah. So mi siko kwa desk at that time, mi nilikuwa nishaondokea. So yeah. Acha nichukue coffee. Jeff, kiasi acha ni
Yeah, like this is the kind of day like when you just don't have to. You don't need to take a trade really. I mean, if it's not really there, if it's like you're like bargaining for it, it just has to be there, clean and clear. Because maybe most of us are like in profit for the week, so I know. And like the most important, the major job we have is, first of all, always to keep your profit. You know, the point of making profit is not live. You just lose it every now and then. You know. So the main goal is to keep your money, and then you can. The next point is not to make money, but the most important one is to keep the money that you already have, keep that money in the account. So always look at it like you're like buying a setup. You know, when you're risking your money on an institution, you are risking like that amount. You know, so like if maybe you're going to give the market $300 or $400 of your account, is that like that setup that it's giving you? Is it like a good playbook setup? You know, it's like you're yeah. Oh yeah. What I'm saying is, it's like you're exchanging your capital for that particular setup. So like when you're putting your money down for like a setup, unafaa kujiuliza, is it worth like this? Is it a good playbook setup? Is this topic a good topic or bottom week? You know, it's always like you're buying. You know, when to execute a trade, it's like we're giving the market our risk. You know, you're risking that 300, 400. So unafaa kujiuliza, is the setup that it's giving me worth it for me basically ni kuipea that 300 or 400, you know. So if you look at it from that perspective, it's like you're buying something in some type of way, you know. It's like you're buying that setup. So there's no way utaniambia you'll give someone your money and then you're getting back something that is not nice. Okay. And you know, we know what we want, you know, we want a good playbook setup, everything aligned, higher time frame. So if all those things correlate, execute. And always know there's always a chance of losing a trade. We are risking. Life is risky. Everything is risky. Yeah, yeah. Emmanuel, what's up, G? Good morning.
Yo, so yeah, that's it, man. So yeah, we also tunaweza pata this kind of salary play coming up later on. So yeah, it's a range 2 obviously. So if you can get this kind of like a salary, maybe the buys at London Opens will be fire, will be coming in. So yeah, let's wait, tungoje patiently, tungoje whatever. So if it closes below back in the range, we'll wait for another bullish closure. So yeah, patiently waiting, man. We know you can. Yesterday, like yeah, this week we talked about basically about risk management, and Jeff has talked about maybe having that constant risk, knowing what you're risking. So yeah, this is the business, and then these businesses have expenses. So you don't want to let that business expense ikuje manze ikumalizie biashara yako yote. So yeah, we want to limit those expenses, we want to limit those liabilities that's coming. So yeah, as we keep compounding these profits, man. So you can't compound them if you're out of the markets, man. You can compound them if you're taking maybe some base losses and then you're making some base hits. So yeah, tomorrow we have a webinar, it will be fire. We talked about risk. So yeah, we're excited to maybe for some for us maybe those problems zenye we said out, ama the reason why we said out that one position is ruining all your profits for maybe 3 days, maybe you're having some consecutive 1 2 3 days zenye umeaccumulate 200 plus, and then this one trade 1A plus setup inakuja inakugonga around 700. So see the best feeling, man. You feel like you're drifting, you feel like you're not moving anywhere, you feel like these accounts are getting a toll on you, man. You're feeling frustrated. Yeah, but that sickness can only be healed by one thing, man. Risk management, man. Because when your risk is good, also you can be able to follow your plan, you can be able to wait for setups. Yeah, you're not afraid, you're not feeling kinda una feel ati hizi markets hazikai poa. So yani una feel yeah, everything is good, man. So yeah, we had that challenge of maybe having that constant risk and someone who is willing to risk. So yeah, let's meet tomorrow. Now the reasoning why behind that trading thing, I'll show you guys my P&L. Tutakuwa tuna go through our P&Ls of these accounts zenye tuna trade. So yeah, transparency and also accountability at its best, man. So we are trying to be accountable with each other, to be accountable. Yeah, it's also if I told maybe I'm the one who is being portrayed hapa hivi, maybe naweza fanya nini. I'm feeling good because inani help, because if at all you say my risk is between 250 na sijapitisha hapo, then I'm feeling good. It's a process on my end, so make it also your process on your end. Yeah, feel hivyo free, man. To hii game ina reward those people who when they come and stay, maybe they're in the game for long. So yeah, if at all you are risky, maybe unakuanga courageous, but you tend to take setups zenye maybe they tend to get you out of the market way too soon, man. So yeah, less is more, man. Less is more. Yeah, as long as unakipia those base hits and you're taking those base hits, man, there's no way you can go broke by taking base hits. So yeah, let's wait for, if you can close bearish like this and then a bullish closure, the better. So Yeah, then we can call it a Friday, man. Can call it a Friday. Tumalize mapema.
Can call it
Yeah,
art.
Emmanuel Musingi, morning, man. Where did you find us? Yeah, but tuna appreciate, man, for you having to come hapa hivi. So yeah, welcome to PipNestKE, man. Tuna portray journey yetu. Also it's our journey, man. Inaitwaje, we are portraying ama we are showing you guys the journey. Yeah, our journey towards 8-figure traders. So yeah, tukiportray hizi discipline, si kuonyesha about hizo taking unnecessary flipping accounts maybe. Yeah, so yeah, joining the team, man. Hapa kuna like-minded people, all these people, man, all these people, yeah, they have one common goal, man. That one common goal ni kufight your poverty, kufight that, chase that freedom, man. So we know this skill set iko, we know the skill set is so real, and we know we can attain our goals ama to fulfill our dreams and goals. So yeah, welcome to the winner circle, man. We are winning here. We are just that song. Welcome to the winner circle.
Come to the winning
Yeah,
sasa. Okay,
we are winning here.
where like Emmanuel alishare about us, but then nikakumbuka kuna zile sites ukiingia ziko like how did you hear about us? Google, Instagram, Facebook.
She, this guy found me via a comment on TTE, man. W, man. But that comment I didn't post a link, so maybe you went and profile visited. W, man, as long as you're here, welcome, man. So yeah, tuna appreciate, we live stream Asia and London. Yeah, tuko hapo kwa group, so maybe kama uja join our group, yeah, we are here, man. So yeah.
Ama we put a prompt on WhatsApp. Ukijoin, where do you hear about us?
You yeah.
Alafu tunaput options.
Yeah.
But it's good to have you on your mother. Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome in.
Yeah, see, it's so a must we trade the same system. Just yeah, maybe I remember that time yenye nilikuwa naenda kwa Donvo. I wasn't there because of his system. Yeah, probably at some beginner point I was going there because of the system. I was going here because I wanted to make that quick move with him, but basically all in all nilikuwa naenda hapo because I wanted to see his mentality, kuona venye he's doing things, the way he's analyzing, the way he's maybe taking those positions, and his psychology behind the trades, behind what we talk about. Yeah, because hapa hivi tuko in this country, and then in this country most of the people, yeah, see, it's a tough country, man. It's a tough country, whereas maybe could make it kwa hii game inahitaji maybe those saved up money, but yeah, so tuko hapa, we embrace the journey together, we show this journey's possibility. Basically, yeah, we want to maybe make a change in our trading space huku Kenya. So yeah, those guys wenye maybe wana struggle, wanasema man, this trading thing will work out one day, but they are doing it in the wrong reasons, wanaifanya the wrong reasons. Yeah, they have problems, wanakuwa na hizo mashida home, but yeah, they are coming. Yeah, everyone has some challenges, but he's doing it for the wrong reasons. The wrong reasons meaning that maybe amebuy an account and then he's over risking that account because he wants to make a payout. Maybe he's taking setups because he feels like the more I take those setups, the more I make money. Maybe I feel I need to be taking every trade in every pair. He's analyzing maybe like 10 pairs. He has like 20 trades because he feels like the more I take positions, the more I make money. The more setups ama the more pairs I trade, the more money I make. So kwa hii game unakuja, you get humble down, man. You get humble, you're being sure that less is more, man. This taking base hits, taking hizo quick small chunks, yeah, those are the ones which zenye zina push forward, man. So not those big runners. Maybe those runners will come, definitely zita come, but yeah, but if at all you can, the other day Jeff posted something, alisema just a little bit, even maybe hadi akusema something, but it was an evening, maybe sijui guys mlikuwa wapi, but yeah, probably watu wengi wali catch up. Alisema if you are trusted with less, yeah, you can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are. So you can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are. So that's also in another hand, kama also kunaweza another version of it. If you are trusted, yesterday Nick alisema, if you are trusted with less, then also more you can be trusted with it. So how do we do that, man? If at all you are taking those basics, if at all your risk management is good, yeah, you know what you are risking, and then you're taking those basics, yeah, you'll never go broke, man. So yeah, we're also here for the same reasons, but yeah, but kuna levels za kuwa hard. If at all you are a beginner ama you are starting up, so yeah, it's not bad to make those mistakes, but yeah, there is a time when it reaches, then those mistakes you can no longer afford to make them. So yeah, welcome to the journey. It's the journey. So yeah, we are still in the same journey. We are still headed to somewhere. We are not yet there. So yeah, join us in, man. Don't feel some of these guys were ahead of the journey. Maybe you are ahead of us, but yeah, we are still on the journey. So that's the fact that I remain to go still on the journey. So yeah, brace for impact, man.
Yes, wow. And
Yep.
again, like that goes back to, I think there's an audio I was listening, ilikuwa Napoleon Hill. He was thinking about, if you want to be successful, you have to study success, you know.
Yep.
And how do you study success? Hiyo Sunday inakuja, like, you just have to just show up, like look for someone who has what you want, you
Yeah.
know. And that's why, like, when you go to, like, maybe someone's stream, it's because they have something that you want, And even if you're not like trading the same system, you just study how is this person talking, how is this person carrying himself, unaona? You can study success actually, You just study success, and yeah, you position yourself in a position for you to be successful too.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we also in that journey, but some things maybe I can learn from. I've learned from you guys. Maybe Paul anasema me I'll wait, ama someone who is anasema me I'll wait for this closure, man. Yeah, we want this position, we want to make money, we want to do that, but maybe if you have been feeling itch, unaona hey, inaanza kudrive, it will leave me, it won't wait for me. So yeah, having that person, maybe unaona hey, these guys are PipNest. They are not budging over these moves. They are just waiting for their setup. They have drawn out their positions. If nothing happens, they call it. If that thing happens, and then they take a loss, they say it's a good thing, man. So yeah.
Also, like, for example, if you want to take this cell over here, there are 8 people in this stream, and that means 7 people are not taking it. You just ask yourself, why are like 7 people not taking it, and I'm the one who is rushing into it.
Yeah, Anchi, maybe the Discord is in the making, man. So yeah, maybe sometime. So yeah, I get it, man. But yeah, no, for right now, for now, maybe Discord is way too much. It's way too big. But yeah, we're also in that journey. We're also looking towards expansion. But yeah, we are taking everything at a step. So we don't maybe Saim gonna website. You already have a website. You have those mentorships. So everything is a journey. We take it slow by slow. So we accept where we are. So as trading thing, we accept that we are learning. We are in the earning stage. So also in this other field, you're also in the learning stage. You're not there in the earning stage. So by end month, before mesema by end month man tutakuwa na Discord. So yeah, tutakuwa na some Discord, but yeah, slow progress, man. Yeah. I try to bite the whole elephant in one bite, man. We take a bite at a time. So yeah, we respect our process. We respect the process. We can't just come here and expect maybe to have 1,000 people watching, man. So yeah, yesterday somebody said, we don't care, man. The route that we have taken, we know it's a long route, man. So we know it's a very long route. Maybe we are not having that flashy lifestyle, maybe showing the cars, maybe showing the floating P&L, maybe showing all those crappy things. the signals, the whatever, the bullshit. But yeah, we know people are getting lured by that. But as we are coming in a different angle to show the real reality of trading. Kuonyesha man, this thing is it's easy if you can make it, and it's also hard, man. So know your stage, know wherever you are. So in that journey, but we know that journey might take time because haiko appreciated in our country. Many people want to see the flashy lifestyle, to see the thing. That's when they know that you are a trader. But yeah, trading doesn't mean that thing. But yeah, it will take time and you don't care. That's why we are in this journey. We are keep the stream, the coming in kuja day in day out, man. Tunakuja, we are watering those seeds. Yeah, we already planted, and the seed is PipNest, man. We already planted the PipNest seed. So watering is showing up day in day out. Kukuja stream, yeah, chilling you, vibing with you guys, man. Having these talks, man. So that's the watering and the inaitwaje, that's the thing, man. That's the part we are doing. So yeah, we know our seed may someday it has sprout, and then hizo fruits that come up. So we are ready, man. We are not naive that we planted a seed today and then we expect those ninis come up tomorrow. So yeah.
And those
Okay.
harvests will be good, and the harvest belongs to God, as we know.
Yeah.
The harvest
Yep.
will be payout, seeing payout from everybody,
Yeah.
people giving testimonies in our all social medias, saying good things and seeing family victories. Those,
Yep.
those harvests will come for sure. Just keep doing our part, and God will do his part.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the part, man. So yeah, we don't want to. That's the only thing, man. So yeah, the main goal is having these guys, man. Everyone in fitness, man, and having those family victories, man. Yeah, we don't remember how we are not saying that, hey, me, I thank Pipness for what they did. No, you are the one who took the position. We just want to help families come up, to help those other people. We don't want, even the glory is not for us, man. In fact, we always come here and say, we are not teaching you. We don't know how to trade, man. We just documenting our journey. We are just showing you how we take positions. We don't force anyone to choose a position. So yeah, we want that journey, maybe yenye tunashare pamoja. Maybe you have your own journey, you can also document your journey with us. Most of you guys, maybe I know Paul, I've seen Jenga, I've known these other people, yeah, everyone, man. So yeah, niko hapa tu, we are documenting that journey. So yeah, those family victories, man, hizo ndio tunataka. We want to make that change, man. We want to impact other people's lives. You're talking about, you also have a responsibility, man. So Jeff and everyone in the stream today, man, Manschi, you also have a responsibility, meaning that if at all that payout starts running in, those payouts, yeah, those confessions, those testimonies, man, it can change someone's life, man. The same, we always saying that, but that Nick is blessed, man. Nick bless you because of what he has portrayed to us, man. So we want also to pass on that, naitwaje, to pass on the light to the other person, man. Mtu asaidike, go help your family. We know the skill set. Yeah. So I had someone wanasema, you can't call yourself a mentor if you can't allow someone to go with your mentorship. So yeah, Nick, and you can see Nick, if you have ever been mentored by all of us, maybe you have been at some point tumementariwa na Nick. Yeah, we have been, and he allows us to go away with this mentorship. That's why we are here, man. This whole skill set is because of him allowing us to go away with this mentorship. Because yeah, if he didn't allow us, then he won't show us, and we wouldn't be here. So yeah, that's why that's why we are here, because we want to pass on the torch to other families. We want to hear, man, Nick helped you, so you help others. So these others will also help other people to become so 1% better, to bettering those families better, man. So yeah, that's the goal. That's the vision is too real. We want those family victories. Tunataka pia sisi to attain those dreams and goals. So, and we know everything is possible. So yeah,
Pass it
if you
forward.
can, yeah.
Again, like, don't have any pressure here. Like, trying to hurry the process, you know. There's something I was watching, and like this guy was asking like parents, you know, how long will you give your kids to walk until you like give up, you know? And they all said like until they walk, you know. Same thing. How long are you willing to give this trading until it works? Nothing at the hey, this 1 month if it doesn't, blah blah blah. Just show up, do the right things that you're supposed to do, and it will just work. You know, the natural process.
So if at all we can close in these 17 minutes, so still a long time, man. So yeah, maybe a pullback. These 15s are closing above. So yeah, a 15 bullish closure and then a 15 like a salary. Yeah, we own that range too on the 30. So the 30 should close above and leave us a week. So 17 minutes, man. We'll wait, man. We'll wait. Tangoja tu.
Where you going, Goldie?
Yeah.
Where you going?
Yeah, Njoroge morning. Yeah. This journey. It's boring when you are alone because, man, these emotions they tend to kill you when you are alone, man. Yeah, I remember that time. Yeah, I remember that time I was trading alone. Nilikuwa na trade alone. Nilikuwa na maybe these buys I could have taken this position. It's not a good position. I just pressed buys. The emotions were killing me. I was just waiting for someone, maybe a voice. I'm here, I'm pressing buys. I'm shaking. I was just waiting for that voice. Man, Kevo, what are you doing, man? Kevo, exit that position, close that trade. But that voice wouldn't come, man. I would wait, blow the account, that voice will never come. So yeah, don't be bored, man. It happens. So yeah.
Come and vibe with us. Come and vibe with us.
Yeah.
We're
Morning,
here to
take that
entertain
risk,
you.
man.
Yeah.
You're waiting for that voice, man. Kevo close that position, but you won't wait. You won't get that position. You won't close it because no one. But the same thing you wait for. You're waiting. Maybe unasikia maybe Nick is in a position and then he says, yeah, if we can close, these buys are looking good. The moment this candle opens, you're already in those buys. Yeah, you're just waiting for that confirmation. These buys are looking good. Only that it will get you in this position. So yeah, I ended up knowing that if I did that in the long run, I wouldn't be here. So maybe the dreams and goals, yeah, I can't achieve them. So yeah, I had to stop that behavior and stop. Na sikuacha that behavior all of a sudden. It took time. It took that several cuts, several dips, because yeah, it's just a normal thing, man. You have to, maybe until you feel that certain pain is when maybe unacha kufanya some things, man. So until then, you'll keep on doing, man. Yeah.
You have like that I've had it moment, you know.
Yeah.
And again, one concept that I think most people need to internalize in this like, okay, in whichever system you're trading, for example, this one, maybe you have like out of 100 trades you have 75 wins and 25 losses. Every time you break that system, you have 25 wins and 75 losses. So you need to understand like which side of this probability do you want to be part of, you know, 75 wins, 25 losses, or 75 losses and 25 wins, you know. So when you get to understand that, unajua, this is the system I want to be in that part of 75 wins and 25 losses, you know. And that's some of
Yep.
keeps you away from breaking that, Even every time you break that system, you don't wait for candles to close. You don't wait for top wicks, bottom wicks. You're going to the other side of 75 losses and 25 wins.
Yep, you're not putting those probabilities in your favor. So the 15 closed up with no top wick. So if you can maybe close bearish on these other 15, meaning that this 30 in a pullback, the 15 respecting this overall resistance to the left. So what will the 30 be looking like? So we'll basically take that buys on the 30. So 15 it will be the 30 will wait for a top to be made, maybe a nice top wick, and then the moment it comes to rebreak this the bottom wick, we want a rebreak of this to rebreak this previous 15, and then our trade will be looking something like that for a continuation. Yeah, what will we itakuwa inakaaje on this 30? On the 30 it will be a weak fill, but on the 15 it will be a resistance. But where did this resistance close? If at all tunafunga, we are closing respecting this resistance to the left, and then the moment we close bearish but respecting, and then the next candle breaks the lows to activate those sellers on the 15, that's why we'll have a buy stops after the highs, because on the 30 itakuwa inakaaje? That it will be basically a breakout with a wick to fill. So it will be a breakout with a wick to fill, so we'll just participate in buys. So yeah, let's wait. We drew this position. If at all you can close bullish with a top wick, we'll take this position. It's a range 2 buy. We know where we are. It's a range 2 buy. We know where we are on the 4-hour time frame. We have already hit those targets. The daily has already hit that target. So yeah, can we maybe start fading off from this position here? So yeah, let's see. Let's wait. Maybe ideally I would want a pullback for this week fill, and then maybe my buys to come from here, something like that, to make a high something, and then this bottom wick to be formed, or something like this to ikai kitu kai, yeah, or buys later on coming up. So let's see, wacha tungoje patiently. For now, right now we have nothing yet to do, but yeah, we wait for these 11 minutes for closure. If you can close strong with a top wick, those buys are not looking bad. So yeah.
Well,
Yeah, so any plans for the weekend, man? Jeff?
nothing much. Maybe tomorrow's webinar. Yeah.
Yeah, so yep. Yeah,
And
for
cycling.
me, yeah, webinar tomorrow, and then maybe have some errands, because maybe go meet up with the man himself, Mr. Engineer 14 tomorrow. Maybe I'll go maybe get some wise words, man. Yeah,
Some
wisdom from him, man. So yeah, if you see him Zanyana on a stream, maybe take cautious. He's a wise man. I wouldn't be here because if it was not for him, man. So maybe someday we'll share our journey where we met, man, to meet. So yeah, he's a wise man. He's a father. He's a brother. Yeah, this man is the reason why I'm here today, man, for this PipNest. So yeah, maybe I'll go spend some time with him, pick up his brain. Yeah, maybe someday I'll have whatever he has, man. So
bring us some wisdom, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then for real, on a serious note, this man means a lot to me, man. Mr. V himself, man. This is my Mr. V. Yeah, for sure, man. So I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for the journey, for where we started, man. So, and I appreciate, man, you got me, you got a hold of me when niko hapa while I was still young. So yeah, those mentorship, those talks. So yeah, I still have this book, this Best Loser Wins, the book. Sam gave this book to me. So when was it? So I think it was 2024, something like that. So maybe I don't think you can see, yeah, this book. So yeah, and we're still headed somewhere, man. So blessings, man. Always pray for you, man. We always keep praying to each other for each other, man. So yeah, I'll come bearing flowers one day, man. Nitakuja na mbuzi. Yeah.
Zero thinking ya 14 months.
It wasn't easy, man. So my journey, maybe, yeah, most of you guys, yeah, most of you guys know me like I'm trading full time, tuna trade full time hapa hivi, but yes, kuna journey behind that. Why did we come full time? There are some many reasons zenye zili come up. So yeah, many reasons zenye maybe you couldn't be able to hold. So yeah, being beside this man, I mean, he has given me a shoulder to lean on, man. So yeah, we're still in the journey. We're still headed somewhere. So the journey is not yet done, man. So yeah, we want those family victories. We want those PipNest meetups. We want those testimonies, man. Ati Jenga is saying casually, typing, guys. Oh, I forgot, man. I forgot to request my 5K payout from maybe this farm, Lucy Trading, Top One Futures. Yeah, that's the struggle zenye tunataka, man. Forgetting payouts. Yeah. Oh shit. I took this position and it was already pending payout. So let me close it. That's the thing, man. So yeah, those family victories, also those individual victories, man. Yeah. Guys, I'm maybe moving to a new neighborhood. I'm maybe taking this vacation, something like that, man. So we want those things, man. So we know it's possible. We know everyone who is in here, man, ako possible, anaweza fanya anything. You can do anything through God who strengthens you, man. So don't be weary, don't grow weary in doing good, man. So yeah, freedom, man. Freedom, and that freedom comes from following the plan, sticking to the playbook, to your own playbook, sticking to your own trading rules, everything, man. So we know this trading thing is the journey, is the bus taking us towards wherever we want. So yeah, freedom, baby, man. Freedom. Yep. This is my Mr. V. Yeah. Sijui kama you guys, maybe you spend people with maybe homeless people, ama those people wenye huku Kenya, basically you don't have those very homeless. Yeah, they are homeless people, but huku Kenya, maybe you can say, in lack of a better word, maybe you can say people who are
Consider them as
struggling.
outcasts here
Yeah,
in Kenya.
yeah,
People who are
yeah,
not having good relationship at home,
yeah,
rebels, but abroad, people like us, people who are doing well, people, good family guys, who end up being homeless. It's way too different from us.
yeah, man. You know, we appreciate that, man. Tuna appreciate, man. That's the goal, man. Tunataka kufanya. Yeah, we say this is a government, this is our own government. We want to satisfy the people who are here, and those from afar are also getting attracted. So yeah, this is our home, man. We want to make it our home. Tunataka that. Yeah, it's just the beginning, man. Tunataka those payout, man, coming rolling up, man. Tunataka feel, man, guys, this is where I was living, man. This is my picture. This is where I was living, the house I was living in. But I now I'm a beautiful neighborhood. That's the thing, man. Those winnings, man. Remember, we have always been saying we'll never be jealous of you, man. It's a journey. You're also in the journey, man. Yeah, and also maybe someone, maybe Manchis, maybe Manchin, maybe he may be having a quick payout. He may be ahead of your journey, but all along you're still in the same journey. Maybe he's taking some payouts yet because anachukua, maybe he started a little bit, he's away forward on your journey. Maybe ameanza kuchukua those 5K 10K payouts, and yet sahi ndio you're stepping your food into that 500 USD. So Embrace your journey, know wherever you are. Don't compare yourself, your step 1 with someone's level 10. So yeah, that's why we are here, because hapo emotionally someone ana feeling, he feels like we are in the same community. I should also be having the same payouts like Manchi, but you don't know Manchi is maybe Jeff akona some reps in his trading game. So yeah, we don't want to compare, but know where your journey is. Jo mali uko, earn your size. The same thing Nick anasemanga, earn your size. If your size is maybe 200, 300, yeah, embrace it, man. There's a time itafika maybe to 10k, 3k, somewhere like that, man. But yeah, don't grow weary, man. Don't feel man, these people are left out, these people don't want. But yeah, we are rooting for you, man. So you can never have the same shoe size, but yeah, the journey is real, man. So yep. Yeah, Mr. Take That Risk, but where are you from, man? Akina than you in Kenya. Yeah, can you close the 15 is closing up a resistance? Yeah, we know the sellers watakuwa activated with this, but as we are looking for that weak fill. So in order for us to take these buys, we want that bottom wick to break this previous candle, this previous 15. If break hizo lows, yeah, 15 sellers will be activated, but as we know where we are closing, we are respecting. So yeah, the weak fill will be our buys up. So let's see in this less than 2 minutes on the closures coming up. So it's a range 2 buy. For we are at target tap. You already hit those targets. The daily already hit those targets. So yeah, we draw this position. Let's see, man. Let's see if it can come out well, man. So yeah, these are the buys. Maybe a bottom wick tapping into these areas, and then yeah, buys coming up towards the top of the range. Yeah, giving this under candle some top wick. So yeah, let's wait, man. Wacha tungoje patiently. So yeah. And then we can vibe out, man. We can vibe out. Yeah. So Jeff, that song ilikuwa inaitwaje? Oh, Winner Circle.
Let me do it.
Welcome to the Winner Circle. Yeah, we are way here. Yeah. Less than a minute, so can you get these closures? Takuwa money. Yeah. Yep. Oh. Basically, my advantage point itakuwa where will my looking left, where can I manage maybe to close something. So yeah, so right around there, where is it? So yeah,
it's called
yeah.
Winner Circle too.
Yeah, Winner Circle. So the 15,
Okay,
the 15 closed up well. So yeah, let's see if we can get a bottom wick. What's the time? 10:30. Yeah, we have it's volume time. We still that window of volume. No volume time now. It starts up at 11. At 10, 15, 10:30, 10:45. Maybe. Yeah, let's see if we can make a high and then maybe drop down for that bottom wick. So we want those 15 sellers to be activated. We want that break of these 15 lows. Yeah, and then we can confirm. Let's wait for a high to be formed first, and then to break the previous 15 to confirm the sellers are in. So we know sellers, they are seeing this resistance, but on the 15, they are seeing this resistance. So they are seeing that kuna clean traffic to the left, filling this range. But yeah, on the 30, we have a weak fill. So if we can have that high and then maybe break those lows coming down, then I'll have those buy stops. Buys are looking good, man. It's a range 2 buy. We know where we are. Maybe we can review this position one more time. So the daily, How is the daily looking at? So the daily we already tumetap hizo targets. So the daily we wicked into these supports, and then we can see some reaction from then. So our main session candle tunaangalia this 4 hour. The 4 hour closed up with little to no bottom wick, already hitting target. So yeah, let's see. We have a range 2 on the hourly. Let's see the hourly time frame. 1 hour is also bullish. Yeah, we are breaking the 4 hour high. So yeah, we have a bottom wick, but the 30 close range too. So yeah, maybe you can expect some bullish momentum. So yeah, it's a fake out. Maybe the 15 sellers wako almost kuwa in. So that's the confirmation. We want these 15 sellers to be activated. That's leading to that minutes bottom wick, and then we can have those buy stops. So yeah, patience, man, patience. So
But even if we can reject 45.80 will be
yeah,
man.
it will be nice, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe flip up a bit, give us a high, and then come breaking the lows. We'll have a buy stop. So right now we have no buy stop. So yeah, let's see. 44, 200 people. Let's see. Back in the range, remove. We need that steep bottom wick to be formed. So yeah, right now we can't do anything without that steep of a bottom wick. So yeah, let's see. We can flip up, break the highs a little bit, and then come re-break the lows and have those buy stops. Right now, I have nothing yet, so I'm just waiting for that bottom wick to be formed, and then yeah, in the 15 break previous. So yeah, want those sellers to be activated in this 15 break in the previous 15 lows. So maybe coming to tap into this line, and then I'll have those buy stops on the re-break. So yep. Can you call it an early Friday trade, man? So it's looking like it, man. Really, the setup is there, but yeah, we have the setup. So the setup is we have a setup, and also we have a confirmation candle. So the confirmation candle is this closure above the range is a range 2. Now the entry is what we are waiting for. So everything in a confluence. So kila kitu inafanya, the 15 sellers are in. So yeah, I think that will do for me, man. That will do for me. That's it for me, man. So yeah, I think we can flip up maybe. Yeah,
Looking good.
yeah. You already set up, Jeff? You're good?
Not yet.
Nangoja ka high kiasi tu.
So
Just a sec.
where are you doing your stops?
Tops will be back in the range because the 15 back in the range too. So somewhere below kuchini, below this. I think probably that lower, that candle, this current candle lows, this current 30. So back in the range, it's around 120 sharp. So 120 pips. So yeah, manage your risk appropriately. So yeah. Maybe one more rebreak of the lows, a flip up, and then a rebreak of the lows. So yeah, but all in all, to me activate those sellers. So I'll have that buy stop. So tuna rebreak hizo highs, nitakuwa na hizo buy stops. In good.
Order cancelled.
Maybe I'll wait for a flip up, and then the moment I break hizo highs and then coming down, then I'll add those buy stops. Right now, I'll just delete it first, kiasi. The moment we flip up, create that high, and then come re-breaking the lows is when I'll add. So yeah, deleted first. So let's see when it flip up, create that high, and then the moment in a re-break hizo lows, then I'll set up. So overall is looking nice, but yeah, on that flip up kiasi tengeneza high, ama that re-break of the lows for a steeper bottom wick. So yeah, I don't want to be early on these entries, but yeah, all in all inakaa poa, but wacha tungoje that flip up and then maybe ama a steeper bottom wick. So yeah, all to confirm that this bottom wick is already enough. So niweke hizo buy stop zangu. Probably I'll want to use the current candle stop. So yeah,
I think if you can like retest like that support will be money.
yeah. Let's wait. Yeah, we're waiting for that criteria, for that entry criteria to form up, and then we'll move on. So yeah, we are breaking those lows. The 15 sellers definitely wako in. So yeah, can you break one more low, one more time? So yeah, I think that's it, man. That's it for me, man. I'll have these buy stops on the rebreak of the highs. So yeah, we'll have those buy stops on the rebreak of those highs. So stops will be these current candle lows. So maybe I can measure my stops around 100 pips. So yeah, I'll use those stops. So
Order working.
yeah, now that we have that steeper bottom wick, the 15 sellers are in. So I'll comfortably have those buy stops. Yep. 08.
Looking good.
Yeah. 0.1. Looking good, man. It's looking good. So yeah, buy stops are set. So let's see if we can get activated. Stops will be back below the range. So yeah, acha tuone wenye price ita set up. So just a sec. Something like that. So yeah, stops itakuwa around 120ish. So below the current candle lows, around 110 pips stop. So yeah, that's the position. So let's see. Just a sec. Shit, it is. I'm trying venye itakuwa a bit thin kiasi. I'll just set it venye iko.
Are you deleting? Yeah, I've deleted mine.
Why?
Those last 5 minutes.
The last 5 of?
Of the
15:45.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll wait for that 15 salary to play out. So the 15 you can close some weak bullish aka support, so maybe something like this. So yeah, something like this coming up. So let's say tufunge yeah aka nice bearish candle with this huge rejection, something like that. So if at all we can close something like that, then yeah, I'll just automatically add my buy stop because it's a 15 salary to my respect. So yeah, if at all it run without us, nothing too much. Yeah, so deleted first. So let's wait for this 4 minutes for this 15 close up, and then we'll maybe move forward, man. Tungoje hiyo 15 closure.
That's like 15 minutes, like 5 minutes roll has saved us from a lot.
Yeah, Jenga anasema 45 80 85. So 45.85, why is it so 45.85? Maybe I can put that line, so 85. Jenga anasema on the 15 ama yeah, nothing. There is a support over here, retested several times. So Jenga, I don't want to overcomplicate my analysis because looking left for right now, yeah, kuna 45, 80, 85, yeah, there's a resistance, kuna resistances, so bado zinafunga above, kuna weeks, so yeah, tulifunga bado above, yeah, tumefunga above, I think tumefunga above, yeah, tumefunga above. Yeah, it's still too much to the left. Nitacheza tu na hii current price action because naona the price action on the 15 is not looking that bad, so maybe play around with this price action ya 15. Yeah, because when we are analyzing, we looked left corner, hey, it's a bit too much, it's far, but yeah, there's some levels, but yeah, me I'll look to play the range where iko the current range, man. So yeah, sitaki kuko overextended. As you can see, the 15 in a respect hapo, so if we can close like somewhat of a weak bearish, then I'll add this buy stop. So yeah.
I think you can use it like just management. I think that's where I had partials. Because features in, I think 45.96 or something.
45.90?
Like 95.96. I think
is this forex ama futures, Jenga?
Jenga alikuwa natumia forex. Nasema like like the same zone yenye ziko naangalia. For me, I was looking to
this one for some partials, yeah.
Yeah, for some partials.
For these partials.
Yeah.
For futures 45.99 maybe.
Yeah. Somewhere there.
Yeah.
That's on
partials. Nice. Yeah. Let's wait for this 15 closure and then itatupatia direction. So a bit like tunaweza taka this 15 close something weak, very weak, bearish, something like that. So when even as a flip up, so can you do in this last 1 minute? So something like that is what maybe ideally I will want of this 15 candle. So and then I'll add my buy stops on the break of that highs, and then this will be the trade. On the 15 it will be looking something like that for these buys up, but on the 30 inakuitakaaje? Itakuwa inakaa tu just a support, a breakout, yani a breakout to fill this week. So yeah, can we close up this week bearish respecting this area bado? So yeah, cha tuone. The 15 is our best shot as of right now. Yeah, 46 seconds. So yeah, we are currently closing to respect, so a week bearish candle itakuwa inakaa much better. So there is some volume coming up, so yeah, can we see some closures? Ideally above kabisa, very weak closure itakuwa better. I'll react those buy stops.
What do you think about breakouts? 45.79.
Jeff, unasema breakout of this 15 range?
No, I'm saying like a fake out. Nilikuwa nasema maybe this 15 is below and then a support on the next 15.
Yeah. The 30 maybe a 30 salary, but yeah, me as of right now the 15 is gonna tap into this support. So yeah, tunafunga week. We have tapped into that support. The 30 as a bottom week. Yeah, let's see venye maybe I can react those buy stops, but the 30 already has about the 15 is closing up. Inafunga maybe week in a reject. So yeah, the buys are not looking bad. The buys, maybe what can we wait for? Maybe we can wait for an hourly, waiting for an hourly closure, maybe a 30 salary. Maybe this 30 salary inaweza kuwa much better, but all in all bado ni volume time tunafunga, I don't know man. So yeah, maybe for right now, if you're having those buy stops, maybe to know where your stops are. So yeah, but all in all inakaa tu money. The moment inaweza break these lows, these previous lows, then I'll just wait for that 30 closure. So yeah, I'll wait for that 30 closure. Takuwa nangoja hiyo 30 closure for 30 celery, wana onion, wana a support, something like that. So yeah. Yeah, maybe let's wait for that celery and then tungoje tuone venye ita play out. So yeah, that celery is looking fire. Maybe yeah, we can wait for that. A 15 onion, that is celery slash itakuwa inakaa money. Yeah, the moment tunaanza ku break hizi lows, maybe we can expect something like if this ka 30 ka 15 can close up something like this, inaweza kuwa money. Then yeah, this is that is salary will take. Yeah, I won't. It's a salary. There's a salary we took it, but ilikuwa London. We took this. It was in Asia. It was a target tapped area, target tapped concept. The 15 had a resistance over here, but looking at the 30 salary, we didn't care about this 15 resistance because we know where we are. Tulikuwa for a target tapped area. So yeah, I remember you guys mulikuwa na this. We had this position, something like that. So I won't be fearing this 15 resistance, the 30 week field. So yeah, that salary, especially when you're tunakuja ku break these lows, I'd rather wait on that closure. So yeah, it won't hurt man. So a 15 onion somehow, a 15 aka onion play, closing above something, a bullish closure, something like that. Yeah, it will be ideal for that salary coming back up, maybe yeah, to feel that for an onion, 1 hour breakout slash. So that is salary. Yeah, it's a range too, so it's another confirmation. So yeah, we'll wait on that. So yeah, no FOMO guys man, hakuna haja ya kufomo. So yeah, also as we want these positions, yeah, if right now inaweza come ianze ku break hizi highs, then nothing man, hakuna haja ya kufomo man. So if at all you said you'll wait for this 30, well and good. If you have buy stops, well and good. So as for us, tongoja that is salary-ish play. So yeah, that is salary. And don't let me talk you out of a good position. So yeah, something like that. If this 30 can close up something like that, then the next 30 itakuwa play for these buys coming up towards the top of the range. So yeah, something like that. So buy stops zitakuwa hapa. So this is the play we want. We have a very nice weak field to fill up hivyo. So yeah, let's see. Acha tuone venye na close up shop, and then yeah, patience man, patience. It's a Friday, we don't want to maybe jump into these buys earlier on. So yeah, it's a Friday man. So na bado tuna go against the trend. Yeah, it's a range too, but yeah, we want to be having that precise entry. So the entry point we are looking for right now, but the setup is already there, but no entry point as of yet. So yeah,
now we wait.
we wait. Wait man. Yeah. Kama guys, mnaweza anza, you can just keep on posting, mnaweza post hapo hivyo, tag us hapo hivyo, you know, our socials, yani try and tag us man, tuta repost man, tuta repost. So yeah, PipNestKE, mnaweza follow the page PipNestKE. Yeah. Yeah, patience man, patience, especially tukiwa tapping into these supports and then close that salary, yako inakaa money. Yeah. So guys, mna feelingiaje zenye, how do you feel especially when you've been waiting for a position for the longest and then it comes and then it doesn't come nicely? Oh, 8-figure trader man, sorry I didn't get your message. So kumesha this stop loss ama partials, you just come to this line chart, unaitap hapo, maybe mali unataka kuweka buy stops, you click it and then you press shift, you drag it, you can see that's around 150 140 pips. So this ticker, this means iko under the MGC, so that 141 is 1 MGC, so that's around 154 pips. So yeah, that's how you play around with this tool. So yeah. Shit. Tatuona venye inakaa. You have like a support over here. You have another one over here. So na tunaweza chop up, arrange something like that. Buys above, we know we are bearish also, so yeah, range 2 inaweza kuwa inakataa, so buys above, sells below, something like that inakaa money. Wana inafunga something like a salary, so yeah, sells below. Unaweza pata that fake out for sales also. So yeah, this 30 minutes is the one which itatuambia wherever we are going. The 1 hour batted already tap target, so the 4 hour is kind of flipping, so we don't know, but not yet flipping. So yeah, patience man. So the 4 hour is kind of a stuff man. The sales are looking good, the buys are looking money. So yeah, this closure itatuambia what we're gonna do next. No, so we can close up below, is looking good, above is also looking good. So patience man. So was this range ni pips ngapi? So maybe this range, shit, it's not the hottest man. So let's see those, if I told tunaweza funga salary, yeah, those buys are looking much better. Another confirmation for a salary play. So yeah, let's see, chatongoje venye ita close up. So yeah, $62. Yeah, sales are not looking the hottest as of right now. So yeah, even if we close below, I won't participate in sales for me. So yeah, we are for our target tapped areas. So yeah, for me, even if we close below these, I won't participate in sales. I'll just wait. So yeah, it's not a very nice traffic. So but for salaries on this 30 is what I'll wait for. So 30 closure above, those buys, they're looking money. So yeah, no hurry man, it's still a Friday. We have NY session just like yesterday man. So yeah, you patiently wait for your position. I show up London, no setup, Asia no setup, then you come to NY and then you find a very nice setup man. You take it, it's a win man. You don't remember, you just happy because you waited patiently. Yep. Now the volume will kick in, man. So either way, we can do something like that. So we can close bearish was the time 11:30. We find another bullish closure, something like that. Yeah, maybe if at all we are respecting this range, and then this maybe our play later on when the market has already met our to water. So yeah, we want to be patient, wait for the best of the best opportunities for this trade. So yeah, that's for buys. If at all you can close back in the range, I'll still want for still will be waiting for a bullish closure above. So for sales, maybe right now I don't have a game plan for sales. Sales maybe later on from top of the range. So yeah, imagine Jeff.
Yeah,
Sales maybe top of the range. So 8 figs to kupata this RL thing risk reward tool unakam hapa hivi to just a sec. Na come up to community inaitwaje? This community, come up to community indicator, tap hapo, and then maybe you can search. Yeah, come up hivi, search for risk reward, and then you download it. So basically it's this. So risk, so risk reward tool, it's this one, and install it. So it's this one, you can install it. So iko hapo tu. Yeah, then you'll use it. You can customize it on your own. So opacity, unaweza punguza opacity, unaweza toa those lines. So yeah, yep. Where's Beatrice, man? Can this be the reason why we're not having this position? Because
where is Beatrice Stivo?
can this be the reason why these positions are sleeping us?
They're not in the
Because these
market.
people are not there. Yeah.
They're not there.
Yeah. So yeah, maybe we can wait for that post London. We can, as long as we find some good setup. So yeah. Can this be the reason why we are not having these positions? So but all in all, I know they are work dedicated. These people are dedicated. Maybe something came up, the job. Remember, you have to do whatever you have to do, man. So yeah, it doesn't hurt maybe missing that 1 session, 2 sessions. Yeah. Yeah. Wait.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Gotta do what you have to do, man. So we do it anyways. So yeah, Manschi, the timing, yeah, we prefer those London Open, but right now the times are switching up, because as you can see, maybe 9:30 is just maybe Mr. E told me, I'll call it Mr. E. I'll call him Mr. E. Mr. E told me that these times they're kind of switching up. It's like 9:30 nowadays, just like it's just a name. So yeah, if you find your setup, maybe like this setup, it was your setup. Yeah, we know that the normal hour windows gonna change up a little bit. So yeah, the hours, the times are changing up. Overall, maybe 3 months, 4 months ago, 5 months, 6 months ago, we'll be waiting for that specific window, pre-London, that 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes of that London Open, and that's it, you're done. But for right now, the times are kind of switching up. That's why maybe the NY, maybe you kind of get some movements maybe later on. 9:30 doesn't have that much push, 9:45 nothing. But if at all your setups, yeah, the volume is still there, don't get me wrong, the volume can be there, but if at all your setup shows up maybe at different time, that's when basically you can get that volume coming in. So yeah, the times kind of tricky, but yeah, for beginners, maybe stay adjacent to that time, because sahi bado uja get your foot in. So be focused on that Windows time. But yeah, so that's, you'll get your foot in. But yeah, for those experienced, when you're experienced on, yeah, maybe you've eliminated those unnecessary positions. Yeah, in a car money. So yeah, nothing for me. We closed up back in the range. So a bullish closure above, looking money. Yeah, for sales, I don't have sales in mind as of yet. So yeah. Yep. I only know that we are PipNestKE and only good things happen to us, man. So yeah.
Only the good things.
Yeah, only the good things, man. So yep. No formal guys, man. So we want just that. So if at all it's still a Friday, let's tukue patient, man. The pack man, we came to the desk at 10. So wenye tulikuja at 10, we don't want to maybe take positions zenye we won't be emotional of, maybe pressing sales at it's starting to break these highs. So yeah. Yeah, appreciate you, man. So W, man, call it, man. So yeah, thanks for having us. Thanks for joining in, man. We appreciate you, man. So thanks for letting us that those people from Germany are also listening to us, man. We're international, so we appreciate you, man. So keep winning, my friend, man. So
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, man. Webinar. Yeah.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend, man. Go dream build, my friend. Go dream build.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're so happy, man. We're so happy to be you being a part of us. So yeah. W's, man. Cheers, man. So love you guys, man. So
Yeah.
and he's out, man. He's out. He's gone. The man is gone. So yeah, maybe tunaweza rudi Kiswahili, man. So hii Kizungu imekuwa ngumu.
There are more people coming from all over the world, man.
Yeah, man. Tushaenda international, so yeah. Yeah, so wacha tungoje hizi closures. So sasa hii tunaweza relate na watu wa Kenya, man. So watu wa nyumbani, man, tunaweza relate na wao. Yeah, maybe Njoroge, anyone, man, anything holding you back, psychological questions, you can pose a question to these people in front of you, man. So yeah, even to anyone, to yourselves, just a question inaweza kuwa helpful for anyone, man. So yeah, remember, let's make a good time of this, man. Engineer 14 while is around, man. So yeah,
pull him up. Engineer 14, man. Pull him up.
Yeah, he's a wise man, man. He's a wise man. So let's take advantage of his time, man. He doesn't have that much time. He has some kids, so
yeah.
Whenever you can be able to snag in some time, tunaongea Kizungu, man. Sanya unaweza kakwa swali hapo hivyo, unaweza mslipia kaswali hapo atakujibu, man. So even not over trading wise, si lazima ikuwe trading wise, hadi life wise. So yeah, kuishi kwingi kuona mengi, man. So you're not there, man. So tunataka tufikie hapo. So yeah, the best way to walk a minefield, unafanya nini, Jeff? You follow someone, man.
Yeah, man.
Follow someone.
Follow someone on the other side.
Yeah, he has been there, so we follow him, man. So yeah.
Like kulipoka and responding.
Yeah. Yeah, hizo family victories, my guys, hizo ndio tunataka. So kukaa hapa ati tunajua hii ni PipNest ama guys, man. Yeah, this I think after a long nini inaitwaje? A long review ama a long search in my mind ama ni venye nimekaa for some time, me sit down. Yeah, finally found my purpose. This is my purpose, man. PipNestKE is finally, it's home, man. This is where I'm feeling the best, man. So after kukuja hapo in my thinking, kufikiria everything, yeah, hapa sasa ndio nakumbuka, man, this is my purpose. This is where I feel the best, man. This ati kukaa hapa, kustay around these winners, kustay around these people, these like-minded individuals, man. So this is my purpose. Na feel nice, man. Na feel poa kukua around these people, man. So yeah, this is the thing, man. This is the purpose, man. Kuna all these people nasema tuna come up, maybe we go, we rent out maybe a villa somewhere, tuenda Bali, tuenda somewhere. It's all possible, man. So this is the purpose, having maybe follow the steps. Basically you are not following us, maybe. Yeah, in real sense, all of us, we are leaders on our own side. So yeah, I don't want to call myself at a leader, I'm leading. No, not kila mtu, you are an own leader of yourself, man. So when leader wa maisha yako, when leader wa trading business yako, so being a part of you, man. So either way, the thing is ni ati wherever you are in your trading space, unajua this PipNest pia wanafanya hivi, ama yeah, you are part of us, man. So I'm happy, man, kuku hapa. I'm so grateful, man. I'm so grateful for PipNest. Yeah, tunaangalia hizo vitu, man, zina come up. So sometimes nikikaa hivi chini nifikiria how we came about this PipNest thing, ina blow up my mind, man. I feel like maybe crying, because maybe sometime we'll end up sharing the journey, to share the journey together. Yeah, more about venye tulipa, what was there. So yeah, we tend to tunachanga to some clues, tunachanga some, maybe some puzzles, try to figure out. So all in all, Kenya naweza sema we are just like you. We have come from below, tumekuwa huko chini. So usifeel ati una go through alone, man. So tuko hapa. Yeah, basically unataka kusema ati whatever you're going through, so feel we are praying for you, those demons, those internal conflicts and uko nazo, man. So we are praying for you, tuna root for you guys, man. So yeah, we keep praying for each other hapa hivi. This is a community, so tuna try ku build each other even spiritually. So yeah, tunaambia those people, everyone, man, we keep praying for each other. Yeah, maybe someone doesn't have the strength to talk about what is mwenye anaendelea go through, but yeah, we pray for each other, man. So we're rooting for you guys. Hizo dreams, man, lazima tuziachieve, man. So yeah, we know it's possible. Tunajua, man, your dream house, that dream car, man, it's possible. So yeah, this is the purpose, man. The purpose is basically me, but it trickles down to the people who are around you. So yeah, that's my purpose. I feel home, I feel poor, not because that it will grow, but because I'm feeling this community, man. I'm gaining something from Jenga. Yeah, basically na gain something from Jenga because naona, man, this guy, man, ako dedicated. How am I gaining something from him? Because seeing him akishow up day in day out kwa stream, naona, man, this person is hungry, this person anataka ku better himself, anataka kujidevelop. So what does it make me better of? How am I getting? Because I also have to perform my best, because najua if at all Jenga anataka kuperform, that means I should also outperform myself, man. So it keeps me pushing, it keeps us rolling then tunaendelea tu kupush each other, man. So yeah, we're still in the journey. The same thing tunasemanga, usifeel left, we will never leave you behind, man. So yeah, those roles, maybe Jenga anaanza kupata hizo payouts, maybe Jenga anakupostia, man, anakuambia akwambii, manze, this month nimepata maybe $8,000, anakuambia, man, hii mwezi, man, nimetengeneza kamita to see me make inakaa mingi. So unajiangalia, man, hii mwezi umetengeneza 50k, Jenga ametoa mita. So usifeel left out, will never leave you, will also help each other, man, kwa kupata hizo payouts, man. So wherever you are, the only thing yenye unaweza kuwa help out, because unakuwa accountable also with us, the same way we're also accountable with you. Be accountable with us. So me, I'm benefiting a lot, because mi nikionyesha hii balance yangu, nikionyesha everything, nikionyesha trades, nikionyesha everything, inanifanyaje, inanifeel, man, mi siwezi fuck up, siwezi, maybe nilisema na risk maybe 300 max, and then nimepoteza punch. Mtaambiaje ama jamaa, man? Taweza kuambia aje? But if at all mnani keep in line, mnaniangalia, man, I'm benefiting, because in the long run mimi ndio na benefit, because I'm following whatever I say. So be accountable with us. Usifeel uko left out. Be accountable with us, man. Kuwa free with us, man. So it's a journey, tuna head up. So I remember the thing yenye ilikuwa inani hit out, because yeah, I was looking my Mr. V, man. Mr. V wangu, alikuwa hapo. He's a calm guy, he's a chilled guy. So that time yenye hatukuwa tuna trade pamoja, nilikuwa na sneak out maybe after session maybe nachukua position, I know maybe nimepata account, I'm not sijieki in front of him, as in what am I, siko accountable, haoni balance yangu, so naanza ku take positions zenye nachukua, maybe nikidhani me I want to show him, man, Mr. V, this is my position, nishapita hii account, but most of the time haiko inapita, ilikuwa ina blow out because siko accountable to him. Yeah, he was there, he was also showing me, man, come hapa, come ku accountable kwangu. So yeah, it feels nice, unafeel because unafeel under pressure, unafeel unafaa perform, but hiyo utaki maswali mingi, utaki kukonye, man, mbona somehow the ego inaku affected, because the ego inaku affected aje, because maybe umechukua hii position, umelose, man, utaki kuonyesha Mr. V umelose, amekwambia man ku accountable, or maybe utaki kujibu maswali, utaki hiyo ego iguzo, unaambia man, Kevo umechukua hii sell aje, uko na hii support hapa chini, mbona unachukua hii sell? Yani unafeel somehow unafeel ego yako inaguzwa, man. So and as long as nikaanza ku accountable, showing up, kumuonyesha whatever I'm doing, ku accept your criticism, yeah, so yeah, I'm feeling the same way I'm accountable with you guys, man. So yeah, that's na feel nice, na feel poor, na feel also I'm moving a step forward, man. So the same thing to you, man. Go accountable with us, man. Don't feel like hapa hakuna mwalimu, nothing right, nothing wrong, man. Maybe usifeel ati unafeel uko nyuma, man. Those people maybe kwa groups, so the funny thing kwa hizi groups, the same other groups, man, people utaona those people wako ahead, those people wanamilikizo pair, wanamilikizo accounts, maybe they are showing you some trading view, wamecatch hizo big moves, maybe jamaa amehold kuanzia huku chini, ameshika hiyo 300. Yeah, you guys umeona, we have seen this, man. Tumeona, tumekuwa kwa hizi communities, tumeona hadi kwa TT, man, tunaona those guys, man, they never lose position, they always catch the best, the big moves, man. But yeah, we have never seen those payouts, man. So yeah, don't be fooled, usikuwe fooled, man, usikuwe fooled na hizo screenshots. So yeah, kwa hapa hivi, this is the real trading, man. See, yeah, kunaweza kuwa na hizo infiltrations, but yeah, right now tunatry ku grow, man. Sijui kama mnaelewa, tunatry ku grow, so yeah, we want to accommodate everyone. So but be cautious, ukue cautious of whatever you are seeing. Don't be lured in by maybe someone anapost, maybe alishika hii sell, akona system yake, alishika na ka stop loss kadogo, ni wale maguru alishika tu ka sell kazuri, kana ka TP, maybe alishika move something like this, so risk reward alikuwa ameingia hapo, stops yake ilikuwa hapa, remove all. So yeah, usikue lured out na ama usikue fooled, man. Don't be fooled, man. So maybe TP yake ndio hii, man, maybe ana hold, yeah, aliingia hapo the moment tu ilitapata ikwenda drawdown, the moment tu ilitapa hapo, yeah, akaingia hiyo sell, stop loss yake ilikuwa hapo, yana ako maybe 5000 pips, man. Don't be lured in. Yeah, hizi vitu you happen, unaonanga, yeah, maybe anaweza kuwa ameshika hii move, but it doesn't matter that maybe it's a must to shika hii move ndio kuwe profitable. Si lazima, man, si lazima. So yeah, tuko hapa, man, kuportray whatever is possible, man, whatever inatufanya to push forward, tuko hapa, man. So yeah, hizo vitu tushaiziona. Jeff, how many times umeona maybe something like that, the guru trading?
So
Those
many.
people never hawezi kuonyesha payouts, hawezi kuonyesha ametoa some payouts. So yeah, they always winning, man, always winning. So yeah, but we know the process, man. The process, you may want that trade, unaweza pata hizo trades, but the process ni kuchukua these basics, man, kuchukua some basics, kuchukua small wins. So yeah, we all want that. Hizo ni way of being lured in, tunaonyesha, man, ni utachukua 1000 pips, but yeah, so every group inakuanga na those infiltrations, kunakuwa na those things, man, but don't be fooled, man. So take it your process, peleka pole pole, man. So yeah, usifeel kama unaharakishwa. So yeah,
Plus also, be wary of those guys. They just post profits too in this business, man. losses and profits, they are like this, they go together. So when you see guys just posting profits, don't get carried away. Don't feel like you are behind or you are doing something wrong. No, hizo tu ni picha tu man. You just know what you are doing, what you want to achieve, and know your system. But
Yeah.
it's true, maybe systems zao hazina losses, but as we know, our system yenye tuko nayo has losses 25 to 30%. Those are losses, and those are fees that you pay in business like any other business, kanjo, rent, and everything. So know your system zao zenye hazina losses, hizo ni zao, well and good. Don't be rewarded ati kuanza kuchange system yako, ati leo uko hapa, leo uko hapo, leo uko ICT, leo uko sijui SGR. Hizo know your system, plan your system, execute, risk, manage your risk. That's all. It sounds simple, but that's the truth. I know our mind inataka kusikia kitu complicated, but it's so easy. Even our mind cannot fathom how easy it is, and kunakuwa na resistance mobs. Watu wengi they don't make it kwa hii trade because it's so simple, na mind yetu hapana, inaona kitu complicated, so inataka kitu complicated. Yeah.
Yep. Now that tumebreak hizo lows za 4 hours once more, so we are tapping into that rejection area once more. So yeah, tuna tap into this support. So maybe can we see some reaction maybe from this zone, especially those sellers wameingia. So yeah, maybe can we see some rejection to shut up targets once more, maybe hatujui. So yeah, that hiyo thing ilikuwa inani hard farmer because you want to unataka kuduplicate whatever you are seeing in the group. Maybe someone wamepata that position. Yeah, unajua ni trade yako maybe ufai kuingia hapo, una lose una ingine moja because huwezi hold, unaona kama move kiasi ume-X, unasema man ninge hold, unataka kuduplicate, but all in all man, hizo vitu zinakuhurt in the long run because it's not your system. Emotions zimekugeta hold of you because unataka kufanya kama ule mjamaa, unataka kuwa kama ule mjamaa, but ule mjamaa hata ajui, hata the funny thing hata ajui nini anafanya. Ajui nini anafanya. So it doesn't, the reason why maybe someone can post something like that, ebu ask yourself, what's the reasoning behind that? Mbona ni post nikama hapa hivi nienda tu kwa group ya msee ni post something like this? So ni post something like this man, so maybe aka loss kadogo tu man, ni post something mbona nafikiria nini man, nikienda kwa group ya msee ni post something like this, maybe nilichukua hii position, nafikiria nini, what am I doing there man? So I'm not showing you the reasoning, mimi nakuonyesha tu, sijakwambia maybe guys I look to participate in these sales, sanyina play out, that's why he move these are W, nasema what am I doing man? So all in all I'm being a guru na kuonyesha venye mimi najua ku trade, venye mimi stop loss zangu mimi niko na system. So basically hatuko hapa kuigo show ama kushow ati mimi ndio nachukua the best of the best position. We are not here for that man. You can take your position, unaweza chukua wins zako, we don't care man. So but as long as wewe unajua kenye unafanya, you can weza tuonyesha hivi, but as tumeona, I don't know you guys kama mnajua mtu anaitwa Ayush. Ayush, that guy never takes a loss man. Ayush, unajua Ayush man, hajaichukua loss man. Huyo jamaa hajaichukua loss. Is not yuko kwa clubhouse, anachukua wins every time, anachukua this sniper entry. So yeah, don't be lured in man. So hizo uta approach hizo nini. So yeah, if at all someone anasema maybe this an account, it never shows you the real account, ama anakuonyesha progress yake, maybe anakuja hapa anakuonyesha whatever this week, anakuonyesha something like that, is not showing you maybe something. So uko lured in na Kenya amemake leo. So yeah, so guys tu nikukua tu tufunguke macho man. So tunaondokea this thing, the reason why tumefungua hii PipNest ni tuondokea that BS hiyo BS yote ya ati mi nashikanga zile ma trades poa, mimi sijai lose, mi najua ku trade. Everyone kila mtu anajua ku trade, but can you maintain that money man? So yeah, usifeel left out, usifeel kwanza, these beginner people ndio wanakuanga carried away with that man, unaona man. That's why una system hope, unamuuliza yeye jamaa unafanyaje. So yeah, that's why most of the people on a left group, and we want them, wanataka wa left man, because we don't want that energy man. Kama the other day some people on a left, because yeah, hatutaki hiyo. Maybe you took these cells and inakuja ku flip za unaona hata inaenda against you, ndio unasema close full man, close full. You know it's a stupid cell, it's a, you want to be seen when you catch move, you know here man, we are not in a competition, atu chase venye maybe mtu atatengeneza do mingi man, you know. Hiyo ndio shida wa Kenya man. So tuko feel hapa, we always feeling like tunashindana man. Njenga ametoa 8000, so lazima nimpite. Na feel man, Jeff ametoa 5, lazima manzi nimpite. Ndio mimi nione we don't care man. Hizo ma titles, as long as you're taking care of your family, as long as you're doing the thing, bills zako unalipa, you're living your life freedom at your own thing, we don't care man. Know your number yako, maybe Jenga namba yake ni 150k. 150k a week ako sawa. Mimi namba yangu ni 50k a week, mimi niko sawa. Don't care man. So know your number, jua levels zenye unacheza. So yeah,
There's enough for everyone.
yeah. Those people man never make, they don't make money man. We have seen this thing for the longest man. So tumeziona man. So hizo tunajua those people tunajua, but we don't usually talk about them. Tunajua yeah, if the system, maybe this the system, we don't know, but yeah, but all we know, why would you post? So you had no explanation why. But yeah, all in all, we are still on the same journey. Maybe sometime watafunguka macho one doesn't. There was a time maybe, pia mimi nilikuanga hivyo. There was a time I could post, I had an account na post, even though ilikuwa na account, si trading view, ilikuwa na account na post, na taa watu ku comment W man kwa TTE, W position, una feel nice, W execution, W entry, W exit, una feel poor. But ukishamaliza hivyo, ukisha post, ukishatoka unakaa hivi chini, yani nimepost but hata si account, sina account. Unajua ni uongo, unajua tu yani sijui, but yeah, utafunguka tu macho as long as hizo behaviors zimeanza kuisha. Yeah, we don't care man. We don't care if you blow accounts, we don't care as long as unafanya the correct thing man. We won't be judged man. Utaambiwa man, hujui ku trade, ati man hujachukua nini man, ati umeblow. We don't care man. It's a journey, everyone anafunguka macho at their own time. So yeah, embrace the journey man. So this is the real thing of trading. This trading man ni boring. Yeah, na there's no right and wrong man. There's no right and wrong as long as una follow plan yako, as long as man you're taking care of your family, as long as hii trading thing inakulipa. Yeah. No, hiyo competition ni za ujinga. Hizo competition ni some bullshit man. So you're not in a competition. All in all, you're on the same route ya kwenda to the top man. You're on the same route ya kwenda to the top. So yeah, you want to carry as much people as possible man. Yeah, we know there are people who are already on the top as you're on the journey, so don't feel bad. Wameshafika man. So yeah,
And as long as you're making progress, that's all that matters man.
yeah,
Because and again when nimesema the market ni kama an ocean, you know, there is enough for everyone, unaona. No matter how much mtu make, it doesn't mean you have to make more, you have to make anything, as long as you like personally unajua last week nilikuwa hapa, this week nimemake one step towards to get my, you know, part of the bread, you know, like just focus on ile manze, this week nimefanya something different, this week nimemake progress hapa na hapa. Last week maybe nilifanya hivi, haikuenda the right way. This week manze stick with it day after day, every session. Hata kama ni like that one thing. And then like one thing ni tuache kufocus on ile unaangalia what are the bad things that are happening. Unaona, like unaweza uliza msee hii wiki imekuwaje, akwambie everything that has gone wrong, everything that has gone. Lakini yes, kuna that one thing that has gone right, but hizi kuambia juu ako so focused on imeenda wrong, imeenda wrong, imeenda wrong, so that like unapata yani yana focus tu on everything that is going wrong. Unaona, like I'm sure hata kama maybe someone has had a bad week this week, I'm sure kuna just one thing enye umefanya positively. Unaona, like kuna that one thing wenye umeimply ama kuna one thing stick it out, you know, that one thing, lakini usikuwe like too focused on hiyo stuff yenye imeenda wrong. Juu most of us unapata manze msee, yes umeblow account, yes umefanya vitu wrong, lakini what has gone right? Unaona, and remember like what you focus on, that is what your life will attract. Unaona, so like for example upate msee like this week maybe yes hajachukua the best trade, maybe ame check budget, but then like let's say just a simple risk yake imekuwa consistent. Unaona, maybe last week alikuwa na risk 700 weirdly, lakini this week maybe alisema okay, my risk itakuwa here and here, na ameifuata on every trade, yeah? So like hata kama yes vitu zingine amefanya wrong, ndio, but then this one thing amestick it out. Akifocus on that one thing, una focus ati sasa many next week unasema last week manze nilisema my risk itakuwa at this point to this point, and I stuck out with it completely, day by day, trade by trade, I stuck it out. Unaona, so like the next week atakuwa like okay, so what's next? One trade a session ama blah blah blah, the next thing, and that's how progress happens. Unaona, you just take it inch by inch. This week ulifanya kitu moja completely clean, yes, hata kama uli mess up here and there is that one particular thing, and I'm pretty sure so tuko na like that one thing yenye stick it out this week. Just get that, dwell on that. Usianze kusema ati okay sawa, una disregard hiyo, unakuja unasema nilitake ziko mbaya, sijui sikungoja hivi. When you do that and then next week comes, but utakuwa na like that negative effect of it. Unaona, like utaanza kufeel you are not worthy, juu like unaangalia tu on everything that is not working. Unaona, lakini ukifocus on that one thing, I didn't a lot of things, just one thing that umefocus through on it, your mind itakuwa like yani last week manze I was able to stick out with this one thing completely the whole week on every session, and then iko like okay, what's next? Unaona, what's next? Maybe wewe also unaanza kuimplement another thing, and then your mind iko like okay, I mean last week nilikuwa able kuifanya a whole week, why can't I do it this week? And then you unapata tu like that thing you put again unaifanya. Yes, sijasema like you're not, yes you're making mistakes, lakini you're focusing on that, you're giving your brain like that mentality that I can do this. Unaona, like I can stick with this every single day. Unaona, and that's so unaona, and like another person mwenye ana focus on everything that went wrong, like hiyo one or two things that went right, anazitoa out of the window, anabaki na all the bad things. And kumbuka, as you know, the brain doesn't differentiate as this is helping you or this is hurting you. Unaona, so like next week ikifika ako like umefocus so much on everything that has gone wrong, and your mind iko like manze things just go wrong. Unaona, so like next week ukisema okay, I want to just take one trader session this week, and your brain iko like last week I was unable to stick to anything that I said I'll do, and then guess what will happen that week? Over trading. Like if utafocus on that just one thing, manze last week I was able to stay within my risk or blah blah blah, or I did this or that venye nilisema, and then your brain inaanza ku get into that mentality that if I said something I can stick it out. Unaona, and then like that week sasa that other person akisema I'm going to take like one trader session, your brain iko like okay, last week manze nilifanya hivi, yani nilistick it out, nilisema my race is within here and here, and every trade nilichukua ilikuwa within that manze. Unaona, your brain iko like, hey manze, kumbe I can do this is not so hard, unaona. And then sasa when you now put out like another thing you want to work on, your brain iko na that like winning mentality already, unaona. Yes, sijasema like yes, kuna vitu maybe zilienda wrong, lakini your more focus is on what went right, unaona. So tukue na that mentality maybe over the weekend, like just go through like angalia, just find one thing, not this year, just find one thing, find that one thing then umefanya right and dwell on it the whole weekend. And I promise you, like now when you want to implement another thing like next week, your brain itakuwa like, whatever I say I'm going to do, I'll just do it, unaona. Because kuna that proof of a one whole week of consistently putting in the effort for what you said you do.
Yep.
Yeah.
One word, confidence comes from doing, not shouting affirmation. So confidence ina come from doing, not from shouting. So the moment unataka kukua na some muscles, you go to the gym, man. The moment unataka kukua na some payouts, you do. Ama confidence ya kuchukua position, you stick to that position, man. So confidence comes from doing, not from saying, man. So the things zenye unajua, those habits unajiambia mi nitaacha. The moment you get that confidence, utaipata from doing, man. So you'll do it weak, but you do it anyways, man. Do it anyways, man. Our dreams and goals are bigger than what we think, man. So kuna watu wenye wanatuongoja, kuna watu wenye wako nyuma yetu. So we can't sleep up, hatuwezi fumble the bag. So a lot is on the line. So to whom much is given, much is expected. So much is given is to all of us, man. Tunajua this trading thing, man. This is a generational thing, man. We can make millions and millions, man. We can make other people's lives better and better, man. And not for our families, everyone. So this is very, very much we have been given. So a lot of it is expected. So if you have already seen it, you can't unseen it, man. You can't unsee it, man. So to whom much is given, much is expected. So this is already much. So you also expected much. So I think nothing. So I think it's been a great pleasure. I think our time is done now, man. Sam, Mr. V.
Mr. E.
Sam. Mr. E naka a bit.
Yeah, you can
We'll
call
find
me.
a name.
Mr.
Mr.
E
E.
naka original.
No.
I actually like it.
Sam.
Okay, sawa.
Sam.
Mr. E.
Tutafute
Mr.
ingine.
E.
Sam
Mr.
ako
M.
Sam.
sawa.
Mr.
Sam
M.
iko sawa.
That was a
Yeah.
great question.
Yeah.
Man, zile habits tuna create, as Jeff was saying, that's what will create consistency. Because consistency, you don't make consistency na moods. Ati leo unajisikia, kesho ujisikii. It's just small habits, doing those small things. And we see. Yeah, tomorrow it's webinar at 12, si ndio? Ama 11:30.
My guys, maybe wanaweza comment. Paul the family
What is the
guy,
best
maybe
time?
uniambie.
What's the best time?
Paul the family guy, man, yeye ndiye anaweza tuambia. Paul,
Mtoto analalanga
I can't
saa
do
ngapi, Paul?
I can't do that. We can't do that webinar bila Paul, man. So Paul tuambie what's time.
Without Paul, nothing happens.
Paul ako
Jenga,
hapa ama amelala?
Paul ako hapa. This
Paul,
this
wake
this
up.
this
He got
motherfucker is
bored.
dedicated, man. This
He got
motherfucker is
bored.
wake up, man. This motherfucker is dedicated. Guys,
Faulu,
iko hapa.
kira.
Paul is to reply at end stream.
Paul check, hatutoki hapa mpaka Paul
Yeah, I
anakaa.
think-
Paul.
I think we can sign in kutoka 11:30. We put on something ya kusikiza, then by 12
Then we
ni kuanza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's been a pleasure, man. I love you guys, man. Yeah, we show up every day, man. Tuna show up for our dreams and goals. So this is the work, man. Tuifanya tu board, tuifanya anyways. We do it tukiwa tumechoka,
And
to
by
do
the
it
way,
tukiwa
guys,
broke. Yeah.
kidogo tu. Guys, imagine tulikuwa hapa Asia, man. All this was happening. Hizi moves zina happen, umeziangalia but you don't have a net. And you are okay with it. Unaona tu inaenda and you are not feeling nothing. Few months ago ama few years ago, man, ulikuwa unasema hapana, you just press sales and you get profit. Then when it mattered, wakati unagojea maybe payout ama unagojea kupass an evaluation, unafinya, you see, your mind can remember what you did last time, unafinya tu hizo sales again, and when it mattered most, unakuja tu, you get punished, market punishes
Jemaliza.
you, haina huruma. So mtu ajue kenye anataka, kenye anafanya, and the rest results, the harvest will come, they will be plentiful. So
The harvest
guys,
is plentiful, man.
yeah,
when you say, like, to give your brain like proof
My work is easy because I use Click.
of like
Here's how I keep track of all my
you're a
tasks.
good profitable
I start by
trader,
brain
man.
dumping everything
Like ukiangalia a year before and a year now, uone tu like how far you've come,
I
unaona?
need to get done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think our time is done, man. So
Yes,
I think
sir.
time yetu imeisha, so the vibing is done, man. So patience,
Peace
man,
out.
tupatane nini webinar kesho
Webinar, man,
11:30. So yeah, man, tuko na hizo, go through about trades, go through risk management kiasi, to go through whatever we planned out for last webinar. Tupatane ni kesho, man. So peace out, love you guys, man. Yeah, sasa ni separation time, watu waende wasome book, watu waende ride bike, take a walk, man. Toka tu kwa chats, man. So love you guys, peace out. Jeff, maybe you're going for some skydiving.
Very bad.
Love you guys. Yeah. Peace, man. Love you guys, man.
Thanks for having us, man.
Local legend, but the whip I got is foreign. Extraordinary, yeah, I feel like Alex Warren does. Please will not be calling me if it is not important. If I don't see no dollar signs there, then I'm ignoring them. Got a couple kids nowadays and I'm supporting. Turn it down 100,000, I wasn't bored enough. Yeah, I wasn't bored enough. I'd rather stay at home, just the four of us. Knock, 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 say hello to opportunity. Show them everything that I be doing, think it's doing me. Check, 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 everything I do is to a T. And only other corner hitting hardest in the USC. Oh, Irish in my blood and all that money keep on doubling. I ain't tried to ball cause I ain't really one for fumbling. Made a couple ends, went gold, now I'm loving it. Drive through them all, can't stomach it. One time cause I had to prove it to myself. 2 times doing that for everybody else. 3 times just to put the trophy on the shelf. 4 times just because I couldn't, I ain't doing nothing else. Hey, local legend, but the whip I got is foreign. Extraordinary, yeah, I feel like Alex Warren does. Please will not be calling me if it is not important. If I don't see no dollar signs there, then I'm ignoring them. Got a couple kids nowadays and I'm supporting. Turn it down 100,000, I wasn't bored enough. Yeah, I wasn't bored enough. I'd rather stay at home just to, nah, wait, second thought. Maybe take a trip down to Florida. Need to change the weather, Tennessee just wasn't warm enough. Son and everybody, they been eating out the formula. Everybody talking, but at least they ain't ignoring us. Hey, reservations for 20 at Show. Like that iceberg, I'm tipping a boatload. Got incredible friends, yeah, they froze on. Taking hits on the one like I'm Soto. Catalog multiples of double digits. Staring at the number like it's double vision. That's what happens when you trust the vision, but keep it humble for the juxtaposition. I changed my life overnight with a couple decisions. Stay working like there's somebody who's coming to get it, and don't get caught up in the talking in the public opinion. Yeah, I had different functions cause I'm functioning different. Hey, 1 time cause I had to prove it to myself. 2 times doing that for everybody else. 3 times just to put the trophy on the shelf. 4 times just because I couldn't, I ain't doing nothing else. Hey, local legend, but the whip I got is foreign. Extraordinary, yeah, I feel like Alex Warren does. Please will not be calling me if it is not important. If I don't see no dollar signs there, then I'm ignoring them. Got a couple kids nowadays and I'm supporting. Turn it down 100,000, I wasn't bored enough. Yeah, I wasn't bored enough. I'd rather